Yes.
So this is the complete block diagram for the water treatment for the plant of Adnok, where this island where the crude is يعني gathered from different locations and separated into different stages, and the water is going to the sour water disposal plant to be in order to be treated, which is on the lower left corner of the plant. This sour water disposal treatment plant is the outcome of this plant is produced water to be injected in wells in offshore. Currently, there is one line which is used for the disposal of the all water coming from the facilities, and our project is to add additional line in order to be serving as backup to this line, and including also a new wellhead platform in order to be utilized for the injection of the water into the disposal well. The plan now is to drill one well and one future and another one third well, which will be in reserved also for any future increase in the water cut.
Sure, Sam. Thank you very much for giving the short and simple presentation. So I am very sure everybody in the team is familiar about the scope. I will take a little one more minute just to explain. So guys, as we have discussed in the PHA, and what Mr. Hassam has mentioned, that we have got shore water disposal facility, and we are going to have the de-oiled water, and then pump is there. So pump is pumping to the main header, and from the main header we are going to take the branch from the tie-ins, and we have got FCV, and this line is coming here. So we have got 5.1 kilometer 16-inch CS pipeline, and this is going to the subsea and going to the one of the well, as Hisham has mentioned. So second well may be the future well, but our scope is to consider 5.1 kilometer pipeline, Mr. Anwar, and we are going to put into the well what is already there in the sea. And we have got a pig launcher here and a pig receiver here. If in case something goes wrong, or after 6 months or after 1 year, there is a need to flush the line. So then we are going to do the